Personal protective equipment, commonly referred to as PPE, is specific equipment worn to minimize hazards in the workplace. These injuries may result from contact with chemical, physical, electrical, mechanical, and other workplace hazards. In order to get the full use out of your PPE, the equipment should be safely designed, maintained in a clean fashion, and fit properly. One of the most common yet overlooked pieces of personal protective equipment is the hard hat. Today we are going to test the importance of our ANSI Z89.1 Type 1 Class E Sands hard hat on our volunteer melons. 4 objects commonly found out in the field, each of varying weights, will be dropped from 20 feet, both with and without the proper protective equipment. We will begin with a washer, weighing less than a pound. Falling at a speed of 25 miles per hour, this washer will have an impact of approximately 61 pounds of force.
3, 2, 1.
As you can see, Mel made it out safe.
Now without the hard hat.
3, 2, 1. Oh. Gross. That is a legit washer too, huh?
With this light little washer, Mel's not feeling too good after that one.
The next object to be dropped is a 3/4 by 22 inch machine bolt, weighing 2 pounds. This will have an approximate impact of 122 pounds of force on the melon.
3, 2, 1. A little scratch, a little nicks from the thread. Pretty unscathed under the net.
Now without the Sands hard hat.
3, 2, 1. Oof. Not a good day. That baby went all the way through. I got hit by a 1 bolt once, right on my collarbone point. It was bad. So the bolt, without the hard hat, went all the way through the melon, or the head. It's gonna be tough to let this one go, guys.
Next, a 3.5 pound hoist handle will be dropped, creating up to 213 pounds of impact on our unsuspecting melon.
3, 2, 1. Skimmed a little bit. Still survived. Scuffed up her forehead a little bit, but you're gonna get that. That's not too bad though.
Again, but this time without our hard hat.
3, 2, 1. That hoist handle didn't do Sweetie no good. I think she's allergic. It went through above the right eye, all the way through, and it probably would have poked all the way through, but it hit the collar there. Some Humpty Dumpty stuff right there.
The final object is a pull-top pin with insulator installed, weighing approximately 8 pounds. This should create up to 488 pounds of force.
Tighter so the suspension's working. And 3, 2, 1. Oh, that makes my neck hurt.
It was a direct hit right on the top. All we have is one little mark on a rib. It was hard enough that collar pushed on the bottom. Everything looks good.
And finally, without our hard hat.
Okay, and 3, 2, 1. Oh, man. I'm gonna eat that.
It stopped on the collar. It probably would have went all the way through.
That's impressive. That'll make you a believer in a hard hat. You want some watermelon? No. Why not?
The effects of a hard hat are obvious, but one's personal protective equipment should be the last line of defense. Safety requirements may seem inconvenient at the time, but in the end, it could save your melon. Don't forget the importance of your PPE.
And remember, safety is so sweet. Look at all this land out here. We don't have our own watermelon patch.